Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is Shaheed Diwas 2023. Today is March 23, which is remembered as Martyrdom Day or Shaheed Diwas across the country. This day is the day of the unique sacrifice made by three brave revolutionary leaders, Bhagat, Singh, Sukhdev and Rajguru, for the freedom of their country. Various programs are organized across the country to honor and pay tribute to the martyrdom of these heroes who have become a source of inspiration for the country. Now moving on to the background. Full name Bhagat Singh, Shivram Hari Rajguru and Sukhdev Thapar. To avenge the death of Lala Lajpat Rai, in 1928, Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Rajguru planned the assassination of Superintendent of Police James Scott in Lahore. But John Saunders was killed in a mistaken identity. In April 1929, Bhagat Singh along with Batukeshwar Dutt threw a bomb into Delhi's Central Assembly Hall and raised the slogan of Inqilab Zindabad. He was later arrested and sentenced to death along with Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev in the Lahore conspiracy case. On March 23, 1931, these three brave young freedom fighters were hanged in the Lahore Central Jail. At an early age, these heroes fought for the freedom of the country and sacrificed their lives.